Kjartan Gíslason. I am the chocolate maker and co-founder of Unlock Chocolate. And today I'm going to prepare something very traditional cake that we usually have for like after lunch, kind of dinner tea type. And it's called Hjónabandssaela, which is a mouthful, but it translates to a marriage bliss. And it's an oatmeal cake, kind of pie, and we fill it with rhubarb jam. And it's very traditional to eat here in Iceland with a cup of coffee. So we're doing a little different version because we're an Unlock Chocolate. So we're gonna add a little dark milk chocolate, cocoa beans from Tanzania. And also we're gonna use a little bit of barley flour, barley chips. So to start off with, we have some butter that we're gonna need to cut up, and we're just gonna whip it up for a little while. Just get it all in there. And then just a minute set to start rolling it up. And we're just gonna add some brown sugar to our butter, and then we're just gonna continue creaming it. Only 2-3 minutes more. And then we're just gonna add our eggs into there, and keep on creaming them for at least another 2 more minutes. It's a relatively simple cake, and it's easily prepared. You would always find my grandma with a frozen one in her freezer. We're just gonna add them separately, and then just to give them quite a few whisks, not too much, we don't want to overwork it. And we're almost ready to go. And finally we add the oats. Salt as well. And then finally we're going to add some chocolate. So we're going to use this dark milk that we use beans that we source from Tanzania. It's a 65% dark milk chocolate. I love it because it has that kind of it's kind of hybrid between being a dark chocolate and a milk chocolate. So it's very low in sugar. So we're just going to cut it up, kind of like rough chips. So essentially what we're making is like a giant cookie pie, if that makes any sense. And so it's has chocolate chips, oats, and barley. And then the whole thing's gonna come together with a rhubarb jar. So evenly just do little pieces like that. Here they go. We're about done now. And we're just gonna put it on top of the paper. It's gonna feel a little sticky, just fine. We're going to roll it out, and what I like to do is put them between 2 sheets of parchment. Kind of makes it a little bit easier. I don't want to be adding more flour to it. Add enough. That side for now. And this stuff here, we're gonna roll out. We're gonna make it a little bit thinner because we're gonna use this kind of decorative for the top piece. A little bit more. Roll this out. So we're just gonna roll it out. It's roughly about 1 inch or so. We'll pop that in the forward. So we're gonna line our cake tin with a little bit of custard paper. So I'm just gonna cut a round one out. So push it very quickly. The way I like to do it is put 20 in here. Mess it up here, and then just cut it. And it should fit perfectly inside the tin. Basically, we're just gonna take our remaining dough, and we're just gonna use our fingers. We're gonna just kind of cram it in there. And again, as we were rolling it, we just want to have it like an inch thick or so. So, very easy. Maybe try to push it as far as you can down. Not too thick, not too thin. What we want to do also the edges, so we can push up a little bit there. Now what we want to do, we want to get our rhubarb jam and be generous. So we're going to do a lot of it there. And go, she'll get on nicely. We'll use it kind of like we're just going to pop it in the oven for like 25 minutes up to 30. And we're baking it at 170 Celsius, so that's maybe 30 degrees Fahrenheit.